Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 26th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P500, and Nasdaq. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. The VIX is climbing up quite fast, so we are up 2.34, that's 7.82%, closed at 32.26, and this time on Friday we broke barely this upward support that we had in the past, and now it's the body of the candle that is sitting right next to it. If you are a member, yesterday on Sunday we looked at how higher VIX value impacted the stock market, mainly Tesla. So we are getting very close to this 34-point line where basically Tesla dropped when the VIX came at those points there. The VIX is showing us the sentiment, the fear factor of the market as a whole. Of course, Tesla is a single individual company that has its own pros and cons. It is influenced by the market as a whole, but it also has its own great things that are happening to it. So this is why today Tesla was up a little bit and the indices were down. When we are looking at the VIX, the Dow Jones and everything, we need to keep in mind that basically this is the big current. This is the current of the stock market as a whole, but we can have smaller waves like Tesla that can go a little bit counter to that big current momentarily. And I think that this week is an interesting moment because we have an AI day at the end of the week, and we also have the production numbers that are going to come out. So maybe this might change things a little bit towards the end of the week. Let's look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones completed it continued to fall. It continued to fall. So on Friday, we had a wick at the bottom right here. This showed that there were some buyers willing to prop it back up. And now the buyers are not propping it back up. It stopped it from going too low, but they are not making it go back up a lot. The sellers are quite there. And the big question is, are we going to bounce on this support? Because this is right smack on it. Are we going to bounce on that support, or are we going to go through it? If we go through the support, it means that we are going to get out of this big downward channel. A downward channel is a bad news in itself. It means that the index is coming down. And if we break that, it means that it's going down even faster. So we are hearing about market crash and everything. The market has been down since January of this year, let's say, and it has been down even faster since August 18. And let's see if it's going to go down even faster right here if it breaks the support. S&P, SPX, the same thing. So we paused on the support. So very important support that we are having right now at 36.44 for SPX. Let's look at Nasdaq. So Nasdaq was a little bit better, a little bit higher than its support, but now it's coming down towards it. And we have some long wick at the top right here. This is showing us that the buyers try to push it back up, but it's the sellers that won that round. And Nasdaq 100 is pretty much the same. So very important week to see if we are going to hold support or not. If we don't, then maybe it's time to short again. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.